In today's video, I'll show you how to get Claude Code for free using Omni Route. If you look right now, I'm able to use Claude Opus 4.8, and I haven't taken any subscription, and you'll be able to use the same thing till the end of this video. You'll be able to use all of this completely free. It's a little technical, but I'll walk you through it step by step in a very easy way, so you'll understand every step easily. Don't worry about it. If something doesn't make sense, watch it again. If it still doesn't make sense, ask in the comments. I'll reply right away. So let's get started. First, you need to have a few tools installed: Node.js, Git, and Python. You'll find the links to all three in the description. Simply download and install them, and after installing, make sure to check their versions. Let me show you. To check Node's version, type n-v, and it will show you the version. To check Git's version, type git-v, and it'll show that version too. That means it's installed. After that, just type Python, and Python will open up, meaning that's installed too. After that, go to the Omni Route website link. You'll find it in the description. Click on it and you'll land directly on this page. Scroll down a bit and you'll see all its features listed. It's offering 1.6 billion tokens per month for one model, 2.15 billion for the first month, then 1.54 billion tokens for others. So you can use all these models through this. Keep scrolling down. Here you'll see Quick Start with the installation commands. Copy both commands and paste them into your CMD, command prompt, and press Enter. The installation will start. This depends on your internet speed. The faster your internet, the quicker it'll finish. Once it's installed, keep the CMD window running, then type Omni Route and press Enter. It'll automatically open in your browser. It'll ask for a password. Copy the default password labeled Change Me below and paste it above. I've already logged in, so once Omni Route opens for you, you'll see an interface like this. Don't worry, we're not going to touch any complicated stuff. So this is Omni Route in the middle. On the side, you'll find all the models you want to use. Then look at the sidebar. You'll see a provider option. Click on Provider and you'll see a free tier option. Click on Free tier and you'll see all the free models available. Each of them has some free tier from some provider. For example, click on A121 Labs. Click Add Connection. Then enable Import Only Free Models. Then just type free in the API key field and save it. All its models will get added. It has two models, Jamba Large and Jamba Mini, both get added. Note, not everything gets added just by typing free. Some need you to type free. Others require an actual API key. Try to connect as many as possible. For example, Cloudflare Workers. Click on it, click Add, click Import Only Free, type your API key, and check it. It'll connect too. I already have this connected, so I won't redo it. Do this for all the free tier providers, and skip the rest. For some, if you already have an API key, like I use NVIDIA NIM and I have its API key, I'll add it the same way, Import Only Free, and if I just type free and check, it'll say invalid. So I go to my NVIDIA NIM account, copy the API key from there, come back, paste it, and check. It'll show green/valid. This means NVIDIA NIM is now connected along with all its free models. Similarly, connect as many free providers as you can. Check them one by one. Let me give you the main ones to connect. A121 Labs, Anti-Gravity CLI, gives limited access to Opus, very limited. Cloudflare, Olama Cloud. Sometimes this can cause issues. Recheck it if needed. Remove and re-add with Import Only Free, and free if there's a problem. Zen Max, Open Code Free. Check all the others you find as well. I've given you the major ones. After that, go to the endpoint section and check things there. Your local server should be running, and Claude Omni Route should be active. Scroll down a bit and you'll see something like 15 endpoints, 311 models available. Once you've done all this, your work on this side is basically done. Now for the Claude side, go to Google and search Claude Download for PC. You'll land on Claude.com's download page. Open it and download Claude for Windows. It'll start downloading. It's around 246 megabytes. Once downloaded, open it and click Get Started. If you already have Claude installed, log out first or uninstall and reinstall it. Once the interface opens, click the three lines menu icon. Go to Help, then Troubleshoot. Pay close attention here. This part is important. Then click Enable Developer Mode. Once enabled, Claude will restart automatically. After it restarts, go back to the three lines menu. Now you'll see a developer option. Click on it, then click Configure Third-Party Interference, Custom Connector Gateway. This will open a gateway option. Here's what to do. Go back to OmniRoute, go to Endpoint, copy your active endpoint URL, and paste it into the Gateway Base URL field in Claude. Then go to Credential Kind and select Static API Key. Go to API Keys and create a new API key. For example, I'll create one named Claude Desktop. Copy this key and paste it into the Gateway API Key field. Then go to Gateway Auth Scheme and select X API Key. After this, scroll down and go to Models, then click Test Model Discovery. It'll show around 58 models already available, but they won't connect properly just like that. If you follow exactly what I'm saying, it will 100% work. If it still doesn't, comment and I'll help you right away. So, turn off Model Discovery and click Add Model instead. It'll ask for a model ID and display name. The model ID must contain something like Opus, Haiku, or Sonnet, otherwise it won't work. To get the right model ID, go back to OmniRoute and click on Combos. Since I haven't created any yet, it'll say Create your first combo. Click on it. Give the combo a name. This name will show up later in Claude. You can name it anything from the list of models shown. For example, I'll name mine Claude Opus. Copy this name. Paste it into the combo name field when creating your first combo. Leave it on FreeStack. Don't change that. Click Next. Go to Build a Combo, select your provider. You can choose Anti-Gravity or NVIDIA NIM, whichever you want. For example, I'll choose Anti-Gravity CLI. Then for the model, I'll select Claude Opus 4.6, Thinking. That's connected now. Now go to Browse Catalog. You'll see all available models. Select all of them. Control-A won't work. You have to add them one by one. This way, if one model's limit runs out, it'll automatically switch to another. Once you've selected them all, click Done. You'll see all these models added into your combo. You can rearrange preferences, which model is used first, second, etc. Click Next. Scroll up a bit, and you'll see the Routing Strategy section. Here you can prioritize certain models. There are several options, but for now, we'll select Round Robin. This means if one model doesn't respond, it'll automatically switch to another. You won't face any issues. Scroll down, click Next, and review everything. Name is Claude Opus, strategy is Round Robin, and here are all your models. Scroll down and click Create Combo. Your combo is now created. Copy this combo's name, go back to Claude, paste it into the Model ID field. For display name, you can keep it the same or rename it. For example, Claude Opus 4.8. I'll set that. Keep Offer 1 million context as default. Then click Apply Changes. Claude will restart automatically and start running for free. Watch the magic. It just opened on its own. I didn't do anything else. You're seeing this live on screen. Your Cowork and Claude Code will now run for free. Chat was already free, but now Cowork and Code work for free too. Look, I've already used 235 million tokens. Now go to Cowork. You can add any MCPs you want here. Do whatever you like. Let me say hi here to check if it works. Sometimes the first message takes a bit of time, but only the first one, never after that. See? It's using Claude Opus 4.8, the 1 million token version. You can create more combos in OmniRoute with any names you like. For example, name one GPT 5.6 if you want. It doesn't matter what name you give. You can add it via API key too, or even without one, just by name. Let me show you a couple more settings. Go to Edit Steps. Try to keep the models that are most frequently available at the top. For example, NVIDIA's free API models or OpenCode's models, which are usually unlimited and free. Keep the 3 to 4 best and most available models at the top so they get priority. When you go to the strategy option next, if you select priority, your top listed models will be used first. But if you keep it on round robin, every request goes randomly to any available model. If one isn't available, it moves to the next, then the next. But with priority, they'll be used in the exact order you've set. I hope I explained this clearly. If not, comment and I'll help. After this, you can update and save your settings. Right now, both Claude Code and Cowork are working perfectly. Let me go to Code now and say hi. I'll select one of my existing projects, for example, a tool I was building, and connect it with Claude Desktop's code feature. I'll ask it, fix the vulnerabilities in this folder, referring to my whole project folder. It'll analyze the entire folder, exactly like you'd normally do with a paid subscription. But this is happening 100% free. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to use Claude Code inside VS Code or Terminal with over 100 free models the exact same way, make sure to watch that other